Oh, there we go. We are at the gym. We are at the gym. I got my coffee. I got my water. I'm gonna get this day started. My water's spilling. Hip thrust. Yeah, hip thrust and leg extensions, back extensions, and treadmill. And I'm gonna head on up. Tried and true. That's what I know. I'm gonna get in here, and then I'm gonna check in when I get in the car. It's pouring down, y'all. Look. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's pouring down bad. Ooh. Workout complete. I gotta step out here in this rain. Oh my gosh. It's pouring down bad. I'm trying to get in this car.
Yeah, I know that you work at the club. Know that these people might judge. You just know it's gonna take more than one drink to get me home. Get me home. You love the blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you. When I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I find myself in the zone, getting nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't wanna know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't
Happy Sunday. We did a Sunday reset. We cleaned up, went to the market. I made fried eggs, a steak, and some fried potatoes. But yeah, that is it for this 2-day-ish vlog. Not really doing much, honestly. This is so good. Didn't go to the gym today, but I will be going to the gym tomorrow. We're going to go in the morning and try to knock that workout. But yeah, thanks for kicking it with me. Thanks for just watching my videos, pushing me on. And shout out to those who comment on my last video, telling me like, you got this, keep going. I appreciate you. Appreciate the support. And yeah, we're gonna keep posting. We're gonna keep on posting. Keep on keeping on. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to get this video up today so that I can start vlogging tomorrow. But if you're new here and you like the content, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tap the subscribe button, and hit that bell so that you're notified as soon as I upload. And I'll see you on my next one.